gonna start by applying stick foundation in the shade Porcelain right underneath my eye. I'm gonna add a lighter shade later to add a little bit more highlight, but for the time being, I just wanna knock out any discoloration under my eye with the shade Alabaster to the higher points of my face. So this shade is a little bit lighter than Porcelain. So I'm going to add this to the high points of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, center of my chin, and the center of my forehead. Contouring using the stick foundation shade Shadow. So this will go along my cheekbones, sides of my forehead, not the top of my forehead because I don't want to make my forehead any shorter, and my jawline and my nose as well. The contour on my nose, I'm going to use our A6 brush. This is my favorite brush in general to contour my nose with. It's nice and dense, but small enough that it blends really easily. And now I'm going to go in and blend the rest of my contour with my other favorite contour brush, which is A7. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my powder contour kit in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just going to use a mixture of the two shades Vanilla and Banana, and I'm just going to go through and apply this on top of the highlighted areas of my face. Go through now with brush A19, still using my powder contour kit, and I've just switched to the shade Fawn, and I'm going to apply this on top of all the areas that I applied Shadow Stick Foundation, just to help set it and also intensify the color a little. I'm going to create a nice rosy blush now. I'm using our blush kit in Radiant, and this shade that I'm starting with is the shade Breeze, and again I'm using this on another A19 brush. So this is just going to go right above my contour. I'm going to take the shade Spoiled on brush A23, and I'm going to add this just to the apple of my cheek and then blend it back into the shade Breeze. To create a little bit more of an all-over rosy look, I'm adding some more of that shade Spoiled just to the temples of the forehead. I'm going to take a little bit at the tip of the chin as well. This just helps to give a little bit more of a rosy glow all over. Alright, and my last step here is I'm going to apply liquid glow in the shade Perla to the high points of the face.